Welcome to 360DigiTMG YouTube channel. And like every week from the past few weeks, today also I will be giving the orientation on the free internship program that we are offering for all the data enthusiastic people. Anyone who is interested in data analytics or data science and probably could not get the exposure at the practical level, then you are on the right platform. This is the program for you. What we are doing here is basically trying to push people who are really enthusiastic, people who are really eager to learn new things in the space of data science and data analytics, especially exposing them into the practical world, because that is what is the difference when it comes from learning and to get a job. You are learning a lot of things, very good. Probably you have paid money and got enrolled into data science, machine learning related programs, or you probably are doing your graduation in data science or AI or ML, or probably you have gone through YouTube videos and learned the skills. The biggest challenge for all of you is not the theory part of the things, not the coding part of the things, but the important thing is how is this skill being used in the real world case? Practically in real world, what are the things that are happening? This is the area, gray area, which is not opened up for the academia side of things. So we thought of why not we use this specific um, gray area as a target area and then try to open it up for everyone. So as part of our CSR program, the community service program that we are doing, we give this free internship opportunity for all the people. It's completely free. Anyone can join. The only prerequisite, friends, is that you should be familiar with the machine learning data science skills. You might have already learned these skills somewhere. Because as part of this particular program, you'll only be learning on the deployment related area. When I say deployment, we're talking about operationalizing or productionizing your machine learning models. This program comes for a duration of 30 days, friends. And these 30 days also are split into two phases, learning phase as well as the hands-on phase. In the learning phase, we will be sharing you multiple learning videos. On daily basis, we will be giving you these resources. You will have to go through those learning videos and try to learn the skills, or I should say, try to revise the skills, which you probably are already familiar with. For example, Python programming is mandatory. Majority of you are already familiar with it. The data science or machine learning models that you're developing, you basically use Python for developing your models. But what is the process that you follow? Are you following the same process that industry follows? You probably are not familiar with it. So that is where the project management methodology to learning resources will come into the picture. And then the most important, the deployment skills. How do you deploy the model that you have created, or how do you productionize it? There are different strategies that you'll have to learn, and you'll have learning resources with respect to the model deployment as well. Now, once these are done, once you are learning these skills, you also have to showcase your learning skills, right? Whatever you have learned. And for that, we conduct an evaluation, an exam in LinkedIn. So I'll show you the LinkedIn page. This is basically how the page looks like. So we post these questions on LinkedIn in 360DigiTMG page. You'll have to basically follow it. And what happens is, these are not MCQs if you have carefully observed. What we're basically trying to do here is try to give an opportunity for you to create weightage for your profile as well. So the exam is conducted here in such a way that you will have to leave the answers in the comment section in detail. More detailed answer, better the weightage for your resume. LinkedIn is the important platform, friends. It is the important platform for job hunts. This is, in fact, stats say that LinkedIn is the primary platform for sourcing profiles. So you create your own profile and make it stronger by participating in this particular exam. Now, once this is done, once your learning is done, you would be put up into the project phase. In the project phase, it is further again divided into two sections. One is deployment phase, the other one is post deployment phase. It's like after sales service. Now, in order to ensure that you don't miss out on any tasks and you don't miss out on the deadlines, we assign a mentor, an industry expert, who is going to guide you on what all things you'll have to do based on the real world experience that the mentor has. And to ensure that none of you people who are enrolling into the project miss out, we will conduct a daily meeting on Monday to Friday, a stand-up meeting. And this stand-up meeting will stretch for 15 minutes. And these 15 minutes, we will be discussing about what you have done or what you are supposed to do. All right. And once this task is completed, right, what would be the exact hands-on task that you'll be doing? We will be discussing about the project technicalities once you come to the project phase. Now, assume you have completed the project successfully and submitted all the work. Once that is done, once your work is evaluated, you will be given the certificate, 360DigiTMG certificate, to showcase that, yes, this is the new skill, the new project that you have completed. And entire program is completely free. Now, you would be basically working with people like me. When I say like me, I'm a 17 years plus industry experienced person, 18 years. I'm one of the directors with Innodatatics and also work with 360DigiTMG as a vice president, analytics wing. Right. So this is my profile. And my core work area is data engineering and machine learning operations. So you would be working with right people similar to this, right? Industry experienced people who will guide you on what exactly you'll have to do, how you have to do, right? All those things. Now, this basically brings in a lot of success, friends, and right, a lot of our students who have done full-length programs, who participated in the full-length projects, they are placed here. Career transition, success stories page. I can click this and right, take you through this page where you can see the list of all the people. You can download the PDF version of the book. Yeah, this is the PDF. Of course, these are all right. All people. You can see the latest entries at the bottom of the page. Month on month basis, we keep updating this particular sheet, depending on people agreeing to have their details furnished on this platform. All right. So this is basically how, right, you can see success stories basically are posted. And in fact, you can also connect with these people directly via their LinkedIn. Their LinkedIn portal links are also given here. And we also invite them to share their information or their success on our YouTube channel. Okay, this is the LinkedIn page. You can connect. For example, Ms. Rachna, she is in Dubai. She is working for Al Shaya Group, which is a premium company. It basically is the, I should say, one of the premium companies. And if anybody wants to take a franchisee of the reputed brands like Armani or right, you can talk about Victoria's Secret, right? All those premium companies, they have to go through our channel. So it's not just that we have our people working in India, but we also have people working across the globe. Ernest Young, Deloitte, Alshaya Group, Emirates, so on and so forth. You can see all these success stories posted here. You can go through their videos to understand how they prepared, what they prepared, right, etc. And this is the YouTube channel which you are watching this live session. And along with that, you might also probably have seen there are different live sessions that we keep conducting. Resume building activities session, free data analytics sessions that we conduct. Along with that, industry experts are pulled in, success stories are there, so on and so forth, friends. You can go through the videos and take the advantage of all the sessions that are happening. And on the website also, friends, I would want you people to carefully observe this. There is something called as mind map. This mind map is very good for having a quick review of the concepts that you are probably are learning, whether it is data science, data analytics, deep learning, whether Python programming fundamentals or R programming fundamentals, so on and so forth. So if you click on this drop down, you can see the whole list of things. And if you click on any of this, it basically opens in an interactive page. And you can actually right, increase or decrease the content that you are trying to learn. Right? It can expand to give you more granular information, data collection, data types. So a lot of these details are quickly available for your understanding purpose. This is a very good resource that you might want to take advantage of. And learning resources, of course, is very, very essential, very, very important platform that you might want to come for. It contains a lot of information, friends. Book is there, quiz is there, resume mapper is there. So you basically get a lot of, I should say, resources for free, which can help you improve your job hunts, improve your skill sets. So yeah, just visit the page and try and take the advantage of the things that are available on the platform. So get up, friends. All you have to do is register for the program, and registration is by clicking on the link which is given in the chat. There's a WhatsApp community link which is shared. You click on it, join the community, and all the information will be given to you. And the program will start from tomorrow, by the way. Your learning phase begins tomorrow. That's all, friends. And please share this information for all those people who want to get closer to the industry one step. This is, of course, the foundation step, the first step, but it is one step inching towards the industry. And this is offered for free, right? So take the advantage of this particular session. Thank you so much for attending, and hope to see you all in the project phase. Good evening.